May I have the pleasure to invite Mr. Saurabh Bhattacharya, Group President Gitanjali, and Mr. Tapan Singhal, CEO of Bajaj Alliance, to come up on stage, please. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Next in line, Mr. Bhattacharya, would request you to please stay back. Sure. Thank you.
चलो भाई
And now, next in line, we have a Go Green initiator, Mr. Shiv Inder Singh. May I now request him to please come up on stage.
Hi. Good evening. कैसे हैं आप?
Many congratulations.
Thank you.
For the award.
Thank you.
Could you just tell us कि ये award किस लिए था and probably another award for you?
For being fashionable, I think it's for fashion icon, global icon. I think. Sorry, it's an iconic series. I thought it was for fashion, but it's just for being a global style icon.
Sonam, this is the start of the wonderful award collecting process of this year for you?
I don't know. I don't believe that it's important to. There's something very, very, very nice that I studied or learned when I was younger, that the process should be more exciting than the reward. And जब आप फल के बारे में सोचते नहीं हैं, तब वो फल automatically आ जाता है. And I really believe that. So the working in movies only has been so rewarding for me. That's the most important thing.
सोनम, हमने कई लोगों से बात की इस बार.
हाँ जी.
तो सब आप सबके फेवरेट हैं आप और अवार्ड जीतने के लिए नीरजा के लिए.
हाँ जी.
नेशनल अवार्ड।
ओह ओके.
नीरजा के लिए.
हाँ जी. जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये बहुत ही हम्बलिंग है कि लोगों को लगता है कि मुझे ये अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए, पर ऑनेस्टली I'll not be disappointed if I don't get it, because for me it's important. Doing the film itself was very important.
Sonam, you will have a special appearance in Sanjay Dutt's biopic. So anything on that front, if you could tell us?
That you have to speak to Raju sir about. I can't talk about any of my upcoming films till the directors and producers themselves don't speak about
Is
it.
Raju sir one in your wish list of?
Yes, I would love to work with Raju sir, and I would love to work with him in whatever capacity I can.
Sonam, Coffee with Karan is back in season 5.
Yes.
Are you excited for it?
I am excited for it.
Are
Yeah.
you going on the show?
I've already done my show with Bebo.
How was it?
Thank you.
It was very nice.
सोनम आज ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट के लिए अवार्ड दिया जा रहा
हाँ
है
जी।
आप भी काफी ब्रांड एंडोर्स कर चुकी हैं
हाँ जी।
तो कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है आपके लिए कि किसी ब्रांड
जो भी मैं ब्रांड्स इंडोर्स करती हूँ मैं वो ब्रांड्स यूज़ करती हूँ, whether it's L'Oreal, whether it's Snickers, whether it's Colgate, whether it's any of the brands that I endorse. You know, I don't know anybody who also doesn't use these brands. मतलब सब लोग यही brands use करते हैं. I use the brands, so I am very responsible as an artist. I'm very responsible as a human being. I hope I am. So I will not endorse something that I feel I don't believe in. Or any movies. I won't do any movies that I don't believe in.
once again there is some news about Anand Ahuja and
I do not talk about my personal life. I've been in the industry for 10 years. I never speak about my personal life, and that is why nobody else has asked me that question, because they know I won't answer it.
Last question.
Staying on the Duck biopic, you said ask the director. The director has already confirmed that you are doing the role. So now you can speak
No, I
about
can't discuss it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
अरे वायर किसका है यार लंबा
Welcome her with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. She is the extraordinaire talent powerhouse. The prepossessing storehouse of talent, subtly graceful and baby-faced actress, Sonakshi Sinha is a top favorite among today's youth. Her alluring eyes, insightful acting, enigmatic voice, and a steadfast persona topped with a quirky sense of humor has left many wonderstruck. Okay, platform organized by Next Brands.
I thought to praise me a little bit more, so I was like waiting. But thank you guys, thank you Next Brands, and it feels really nice when your work is appreciated, and I truly have had a very power-packed year this year with all the action films that I've done, and you know, I took a risk, I did something new, and it paid off. And honestly, all the brands that I have been with have grown with me, along with me, and I've grown along with them on this journey. So I have all of them to thank as well. And it really feels good when your work is acknowledged. So thank you, and thank you, lovely people, for giving me this lovely award. And I will truly cherish it. And it will push me to work harder, do better, and go higher. Thank you.
छोड़ जाऊंगी चलो
Thank you, Sunidhi. Thank you, Mr. Nairani and Mr. Saurabh. Thank you. Ma'am, from playing the quintessential Desi girl to doing action-packed characters, ma'am, you've come a long way. We've learned from our sources that you've been learning martial arts for your next movie, Noor. Could you suggest some self-defense techniques, ma'am? One move.
I'll have to try them on you. You won't be very happy about that.
Ma'am, you could do that in a I can keep some distance.
No, I need somebody
Ma'am, my job's on the line.
any volunteers? Nobody.
Well, Abhishek says not me, very clearly.
But no, not for Noor actually. In Noor, I'll be playing a journalist for Akira, and also that I had to learn mixed martial arts. So yeah, I don't have any volunteers to demonstrate with right now. So really, I kid you not. Do not do this to yourself.
There you go, we have a volunteer. Round of applause for the volunteer.
Round of applause for a very brave man. Oh, lovely. Then you're a very important fan. I will never do anything wrong to you. But thank you for coming. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not actually going to hit it. You know it. Would you like to demonstrate? You think I know martial arts? Would you like to demonstrate?
मत मार
Okay, I will try. would you please volunteer holding the mic?
Oh my good lord, a big round of applause for that.
Even higher than yeah, almost.
Alright, we can give him a half round of applause for that effort. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for being sporty. Thank you. I'd also request Mr. Mahesh Gupta, CMD Kent Taro, to join us on stage to hand out the next set of awards along with Meenakshi and Abhishek.
कुछ गिरा? मैंने नहीं गिरा. Okay, thanks. Bye. Hi.
Good evening, Sonakshi.
Good evening, Sumit.
This is Drop Dead Gorgeous. कैसे बोल रहा हूँ ना?
Thank you.
Looking gorgeous.
Thank you, guys. Sorry. Thank you. No problem. You can stand also if you want. Thank you so much, yeah. Thank you, guys.
Sonakshi looking angelic straight out of the heaven and very sizzling, very dashing, very gorgeous.
और बोलो, और बोलो. बोलते जाओ.
आप जल्दी में तो नहीं है ना?
अब तो रुकना मत.
आप अभी जल्दी में तो नहीं है?
नहीं, आपसे बात करे बिना मैं नहीं जाऊंगी सुमित, डोंट वरी.
And your lip color is fabulous.
ओ रियली? मेरे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के साथ आधे घंटे झगड़ा हुआ कि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए था और उसने बोला नहीं आप पहनो, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, तो मैं पहन के आ गई. See, I listen to people. I'm so nice.
So many congratulations for the award.
Thank
क्या
you.
था ये award? हमें नहीं मालूम, आंसर लिखे ना.
Well, this is a brand vision summit and I'm really happy कि मैं आज यहाँ पर आ पाई and जब आपका hard work appreciate होता है, मुझे power house talent का award मिला, तो बहुत ही power packed, लिख दो, हाँ लिख दो. बहुत ही पावर पैक्ड साल रहा है मेरे लिए, 2 एक्शन फिल्मों के साथ. एंड जब आप एक रिस्क लेते हैं, आपका काम अप्रिशिएट होता है, लोगों को पसंद आता है, लोग ऐसे एक्नॉलेज करते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू बी हियर फॉर दिस इवेंट टुडे एंड आई हैड अ वंडरफुल टाइम इनसाइड.
Sonakshi, नूर का फर्स्ट लुक आया, काफी अप्रिशिएट
जी. आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि आपको इतना पसंद आया. इनफैक्ट मुझे इतनी अच्छी फीडबैक मिल रही है, हालांकि वो फर्स्ट लुक है ही नहीं, वो सिर्फ एक डेट चेंज अनाउंसमेंट था एंड लोगों को इतना पसंद आया. सो आई अश्योर यू जब असली फर्स्ट लुक आएगा तो आप बहुत खुश होंगे. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट द फिल्म. यू नो इट्स समथिंग दैट आई हैव टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. और बहुत मज़ा आया ऑन द शूट एज वेल. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट टू रिलीज.
People have been appreciating you in women-centric drama, so how do you look forward to taking this trend forward?
I think it's a great trend that has started and बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी फिल्में बना रहे हैं keeping women protagonists in mind, which is great for you know our heroines today, and I'm really happy to be a part of that change in Hindi cinema. Yeah.
आप पूछ रहे थे ना, पूछिए.
अरे बाप रे, मार क्यों रहे हो बेचारे को?
जल्दी.
सोनाक्षी, काफी ब्रांड्स को आप एंडोर्स कर चुकी है, काफी खूबसूरती के साथ, काफी ब्रांड्स. कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है, क्योंकि काफी ऐसा न्यूज़ आती है कि ब्रांड जो एंडोर्स करता है उसके ऊपर ही सारा ब्लेम आ जाता है. आप क्या लेती हैं?
जी सवाल सुन लूँ. आई थिंक येस, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. पर्सनली आई लाइक टू एंडोर्स, आई प्रिफर टू एंडोर्स ब्रांड्स जिसे मैंने कभी इस्तेमाल किया है या मैं इस्तेमाल कर पाऊँगी, जो किसी के लिए हानिकारक ना हो, यू नो जो लोगों को भी पसंद आए. सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. जब आप एक ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट होते हैं, उनकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि हमारा नाम खराब ना हो, हमारी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि हम उनके नाम को अपहोल्ड करें. सो इट्स अ म्यूचुअल.
सोनाक्षी, आप काफी बेबाकी से अपने आंसर्स देती हैं हर सवाल के. काफी लिंकअप्स की भी खबरें आती हैं, तो आपका क्या टेक है बंटी सचदेवा के साथ? आपका
अगली
नाम
सवाल.
मैडम आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला है।
हाँ जी?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला है जिस पर राष्ट्रीय गान कंपलसरी कर दिया है सभी सिनेमा घरों में।
जी।
तो आप कैसे देखते हैं इस फैसले को?
I think it's a decision made by the Supreme Court. We should respect it. हमारे देश में ऐसे बहुत सी चीज़ें हुए in the recent past जहाँ पर पेट्रियाटिज़म की फीलिंग जागी है लोगों में, and I feel कि there's nothing wrong with it. अगर लोगों को to instill that sense of patriotism in people, it's fine.
सुरज जी, आप इंटरनेशनल प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं? आपको इंटरनेशनली काम करना है वहाँ पर एनी प्रोजेक्ट?
जी अभी फ़िलहाल मैंने सोचा तो नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द काइंड ऑफ वर्क आई एम डूइंग ओवर हियर। मुझे बहुत अच्छा काम मिल रहा है एंड आई फील कि मैं खुश हूँ यहाँ पर। बट अगर कोई ऐसा मौका मिला जिसे मैं रिफ्यूज़ नहीं कर पाऊँ, आई वुड टेक इट अप। आप एक्चुअली करण एंड मी मेट दैट डे एंड ही इज़ वेरी कन्फ्यूज्ड कि वो मुझे किसके साथ बुलाएं शो पर। तो मैंने भी उनसे कहा कि आप भी सोचो, पुट योर थिंकिंग कैप ऑन, एंड ही टोल्ड मी यू ऑल्सो थिंक। सो वी हैव नॉट येट थॉट ऑफ एनीवन, बट होपफुली व्हेन वी फाइंड समबडी दैट आई कैन गो विद, यू विल हैव द आंसर वेरी सून।
सोनाक्षी पोस्ट ने काफ़ी अच्छा किया। फोर्स 3 की भी अनाउंसमेंट हुई है, तो यू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग।
मैंने सबको वार्न करके रखा, फोर्स 3 मेरे बिना बनेगी ही नहीं। जॉन को, विपुल सर को, अभिनय को, सबको वार्न करके रखा मैंने।
करण की बात करें तो वरुण और अर्जुन का एपिसोड था, उसमें आपका नाम बहुत दिया जा रहा था बीच में, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
जी मैंने वो एपिसोड देखा नहीं है, तो मेरा कोई रिएक्शन नहीं।
जी नेशनल टेलीविजन शो है।
हाँ पर देखा नहीं, अब मेरी क्या गलती है? बहुत सारे शोज है जो मैं नहीं देखती हूँ।
सवाल
हाँ।
नेशनल टेलीविजन शो है और ऐसे शो में आप आउट ऑफ द वे जाके बात करें, जैसे हम रणवीर कपूर और रणवीर सिंह की एपिसोड की बात कर रहे हैं, और एकदम उनका जो टॉक था एकदम नॉनवेज टॉक था एक हिसाब से, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये लगता है फैंस पे गलत इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है?
मैंने ऐसे टॉक किया
नहीं, लेकिन आपके
तो आप उनसे पूछो ना उनके टॉक के बारे में।
बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी आप भी हैं और एक वो भी हैं।
नहीं, बट उन्हें जो बोलना है वो बोलेंगे। आई थिंक ये आप किसी से कह नहीं सकते। उन्हें उचित लगा तो उन्होंने बात किया। पर्सनली आप मुझसे पूछेंगे तो आपने मुझे कभी नहीं देखा होगा ऐसे बात करते हुए, और मैं करूँगी भी नहीं, क्योंकि पर्सनली इज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी।
थैंक यू।
अभी थोड़ा ही चला बस। मैम सामने एकदम सुनील हुआ तो जैसे बताया
अदिति मैम।
थैंक यू। हाँ जाने दो, ये बस हुआ, जाने दो, दे दो अभी छूट।
Please. Actually, I'm sorry. You joined me with the next branch. Thank you so much for having us. Rajesh, hi. I remember you. Please come forward, please. Aditi.
पीछे से क्लियर। तुम ये बहुत बड़ा कैमरा लेके आते हो।
मैम स्टेडियम
सेंटर प्लीज।
उन्होंने को जाओ रेस में।
मैम सामने एकदम
सेंटर
सेंटर या मैम स्ट्रेट या
मैम मैम सामने मैम
मुझे भी देते दो।
स्ट्रेट या मैम।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
मैम स्ट्रेट।
मैम सामने मैम स्टेडियम
मैम स्ट्रेट।
एक मिनट रुक जाओ।
मैम या स्ट्रेट।
मैम जस्ट मैम
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
मैम है सेंटर।
मैम सामने
मैम सेंटर।
मैम मैम सामने
एक्सक्यूज मी, झालं का? एक सेकंड
एक मिनट एक्सक्यूज मी। एक मिनट लगे, एक मिनट। मैम या मैम स्ट्रेट।
थैंक यू।
I got an award.
multifaceted, which is actually an award that I really cherish. Thank you, thank you. Multifaceted. It's an award actually that I really cherish, and I'm privileged. I know I'm privileged to be in a position that I can be free in my mind and free in my choices, and also the people who have given me the platform to be free and to have the dream to be limitless. It also means that the industry has welcomed me and has given me that platform, the people who I've worked with. So to be versatile is something I really cherish, and I hope that I can constantly be that and have limitless dreams and realize those dreams always, because yeah, that's what I always want to do.
Are you excited to be a part of Padmavat?
I'm not going to answer that question, but I will say that it is any actor's dream to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. He's amazing, and it's my dream too.
Okay, the dream is fulfilled, right? But we do hear Jayaji recommended your name to Sanjay sir, so anything on that? But what is it about Sanjay Leela Bhansali that makes him a dream director for every actor?
There's passion in every single second of every single nano pixel of his frame. So that passion is just so... it drives you, and obviously it's infectious and it's amazing, and that is what we all live for, right? To have passion in your work and to be inspired and to be able to respect somebody so much. I really have the utmost respect for him.
You come from a royal family to be part of film which is royal itself.
I'm not going to answer your question because these are the things that you're saying. Sorry?
Tell me something about Mani Ratnam film. The film is almost...
A dream come true to be working with Mani sir. He is incredible. He is infinitely more than what I even imagined. Again, somebody whose films I've watched as a little girl and dreamt and said one day I'm going to be there, and just to spend time with him. I'm doing dialogue classes with him, spending a lot of time with him, discovering the character with him, shooting. It's been an insane, incredible experience. Madras Talkies, the entire team, I'm very, very close to them. I miss them. I've just come from Chennai and I always miss them. So it's really been an incredible experience, and one that I hope that I'll get again.
Learned a lot of Tamil.
I've tried with somebody like Mani sir sitting on the other side. It's been it's not been as crazy as I thought. It's tough, but it's been incredible. It's worth every effort. I do that and more for Mani sir.
All your dreams are fulfilled?
No, I have so many more dreams. I have limitless dreams.
Like, can you share like any dream which you would like to achieve?
No, dreams are magic and dreams are secrets. So I'll tell you about my dream when it comes true. Like Mani sir's was a dream and it's come true. So the next time it happens, I'll tell you.
Is it an exciting prospect to collaborate with Ranveer if it happens in future?
With Ranveer?
Ranveer Singh.
Yes, of course. In fact, Ranveer and I kind of started together with Shad's. He was doing a music video in France, and we started together at that time. It's almost 7 years ago. We were both jobless at that time. But yeah, it would be amazing to work with him. Yeah. मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही, मैं अभी भाग रही हूँ. Please, मेरी flight miss हो जाएगी. I have no idea. Why don't you ask Sanjay sir this question?
But no, given the fact that you're also a dancer,
Ji.
the fact that you're also trained in dancing, Sanjay sir, any film that you do which has a lot of dance forms. So
I've never really done a film that has a lot of dancing in it, so I don't know how it'll be, but I would love to explore that. It is something I haven't done. As long as you guys keep saying that I have potential, I'll keep doing more work.
कहाँ के लिए फ्लाइट पकड़ रहे हैं आप?
आपको आना है? दिल्ली. I'm hosting the Condé Nast Traveler Awards. मैं होस्ट कर रही हूँ. अच्छा मैं भागूँ प्लीज.
Aditi center,
Aditi, can we get a picture together? Okay, yeah, you guys click first.
Aditi,
Chandrika has to take one picture for her.
अवार्ड के साथ
Here, award.
for the camera video
Okay, thanks.
मैम सामने
Thank you.
एक मिनट मैम यहाँ पे मैम सामने मैम यहाँ पे मैम ये मैम सामने
Okay, thank you guys. We have to go now. No. Come.
Side.
करो यार.
बाहर आके दे देंगे अभी मैं फास्ट अवार्ड निकाल दूंगा. Okay, the very versatile, innovative, real talent. May I please request you to put your hands together for none other than Mr. Randeep Huda. Thank you very much for very flattering introduction, my friend. I'm very honored and grateful that I received this award. One tries to do actual versatility. If I also think of it, it is just self-actualization, and over a period of time, it varies. So that's all that I say. Thank you very much, Next Brands and Brand Vision Summit 2016 for honoring me. Thank you very much.
Hello. Thank you very much. Go.
Tell us something about the award that you just received.
Well, it's a versatility award, and I'm glad that I got it. And as I said inside, versatility is, for me, is just self-actualization. And over a period of time, you keep growing older and wiser, and it becomes versatile.
How difficult is it to maintain this look for your family?
Oh, I have to shampoo my face as well as my hair.
How is it being directed by Rajkumar Santoshi?
Well, the movie has not started yet, but already my interactions with him have been great. I've been a great fan of his work, and I think he makes real larger-than-life cinema, and his male protagonists as well as his female protagonists are very, very enriched characters. And so I'm really looking forward to working with one of the best directors in the country.
A little bit about the research and homework that you have done from your part.
Oh, there's a lot of research that goes into it. Basically, a lot of research is going into one's own self and also the Sikh religion, as well as, handling those weapons and being a person who doesn't have mobile phones, Facebooks, Twitter, and all these things in his life, not even electricity. So, yeah, it's a good experience. I'm having fun.
Randeep, congratulations for the award.
Thank you.
कुछ हमें बताएंगे ये award किस श्रेणी में था, किस category में था?
Versatility. Versatility था कि भिन्न प्रकार के की छवि रखना मेरे ख्याल से.
He asked this question that I will ask you.
किशन फूड जल्दी।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है जिस पर राष्ट्रगान को
हाँ?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है
What?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक फैसला आया है राष्ट्रगान का
should be played before the
But national anthem has always been played in cinemas in Maharashtra. So it's a good thing. What's wrong with it?
everyone should rise in respect for the same. So he wants to know what is
your
your opinion.
I think if they play the national anthem, it is but your duty to stand up and rise to it. I don't see any problem. I have never ever had the feeling that I can sit and relax when my country's national anthem is being played. I don't think that is in good taste, or neither is it respectful.
So from one biopic to another, how challenging is it to be part of different biopics, and how do you set up as an actor?
I think I am one of those fortunate actors who's had the pleasure of doing biopics, and I get cast in those roles quite often. It's not a deliberate choice, but I enjoyed a lot. And I think it gives me the whole versatility angle is because I do biopics and I don't play myself. I don't think I've ever played myself except for a bit in Lal Rang. But yeah, so I enjoy being other people.
So in terms of sport fighting, any special?
Gatka.
That is what you're learning.
Gatka, you know the Gatka?
You just heard about it.
Gatka is a traditional Punjabi sword art. Yeah.
And who are you getting trained from?
यार नंबर दे दे, मैं बाद में तेरे से बात करूँ. Okay, thank you very much. अच्छा और कुछ? Okay. जी मैं स्कूल गया था, 24 साल बाद स्कूल गया था. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा अपने स्कूल में. MNSS राय स्कूल है मेरा, मोतीलाल नेहरू स्कूल ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, और वहीं पे मैंने घुड़सवारी और एक्टिंग वहीं सीखी थी, और ज़िंदगी के दाव पेच अबाउट बर्ड्स एंड बीज भी वहीं सीखा था. तो आई वॉज वेरी थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल एंड फेल्ट वेरी हम्बल्ड and got in touch with that child, I think, which we should all be in touch with. And yeah, so and school I used to act and ride horses, and now still after all these years I'm acting and riding horses. Either I have not gone anywhere, or I think I'm having the best life.
अवार्ड यहाँ मिल गया. इस साल जो अवार्ड फंक्शंस हैं उसमें आपकी इस बार फिल्में आई हैं जहाँ आपका अभिनय काफ़ी प्रभावशाली रहा है, तो अवार्ड की इच्छा है आपको? नेशनल अवार्ड भाई पहले
देखिए, आप काम कभी अवार्ड के लिए नहीं कर सकते हैं. आप काम सच्चाई से उस मोमेंट के लिए, उस फिल्म के लिए कर सकते हैं, और कौन उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करता है या नहीं करता है, ना तो इसमें आपकी कोई ज़बरदस्ती चलती है, मेरी तो नहीं चलती है, और ना ही कुछ चलनी चाहिए. मिल गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं मिला तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा काम कम हो जाएगा उसके लिए.
आलिया की बहुत प्रशंसा की थी आपने. आलिया इस बार उड़ता पंजाब और अभी उनकी डियर जिंदगी फिल्म आई, काम उसके लिए सराहा जा रहा है. ऐसा लगता है उनका काम बहुत?
Yeah, I think she's growing up into a fantastic actor. I hope she can keep it up. I'm very fond of her, and I think it was the second film that she did with me, and I think we interacted as human beings and as actors very well, and I wish her all the best. I love her a lot.
Randeep, time and again you have always been rated as one of the sexiest men from Bollywood. They say women love men with beards, so how has the new look been?
It is providence, my friend. कि ये साल बियर्ड का वो चल रहा था, तो मेरे को पिक्चर भी ऐसी मिल गई जिसमें बियर्ड रख सकते हैं. तो आई एम विद द फैशन. आई थिंक गॉड इज लुकिंग आफ्टर मी, माय फ्रेंड.
So you are with the fashion, or fashion is with you?
Fashion is with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Randeep.
Thank you very much, guys.
Visual. Posing with
Where is the award? Where is the award? Award.
Award guy, भाई. संदीप.
Sandeep.
हाँ.
Is yours?
No. What it will do?
No, they could zoom in and probably. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, here.